political tensions escalated as the opposition BJP, MLA and also MLCs staged an intense protest over alleged irregularities involving land allotments. Now, the controversy centers around plots allotted by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority to individuals, including Chief Minister Siddaramaia's wife. The BJP's attempts to discuss the issue in the Legislative Assembly and also the Council were thwarted, leading to a dramatic day and night dharna inside the Assembly Hall. Assembly Speaker UT Khadar rejected the BJP's adjournment motion, citing procedural reasons, and also later emphasized on the need to form an inquiry committee to probe these allegations. The ruling Congress defended the Speaker's decision, arguing that it followed parliamentary rules, and also the BJP accused the government of evading scrutiny and also claimed that it was a tactic to stifle the debate. Karnataka BJP MLAs, meanwhile, was seen carrying pillows and even blankets inside the State Assembly and having dinner inside the Assembly as they continued their dharna in the House overnight.
बड़ा घोटाला करने के बाद भी ये लोग ऐसा कर रहे, कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है। ऐसा सोचने के लिए भी ये लोग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन डिस्कशन इतना तो पता चल चुका है पूरा कर्नाटक राज्य और पूरा देश के लोगों को। ये लोग डिस्कशन करने के लिए भी रेडी नहीं है, तो ये तो पता चलता है ये तो घोटाला 100% कर दिया है। आने वाले दिन में आज भी हम धरना के ऊपर रहेंगे, बाद में हमारा लीडर जो बताए वो करेगा। इसके लिए वो लोग तो रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए, लेकिन रिजाइन करने का छोड़ दो, ये लोग डिबेट करने के लिए भी रेडी नहीं है। इतना घटिया सरकार आज तक हम कभी भी नहीं देखा है।
जो अभी जो मोड़ा का एक 4000 करोड़ का एक बहुत घोटाला है, बहुत भ्रष्टाचार उसमें, जो ये लैंड एक्विजिशन में और जो प्लॉट आवंटित करने में, हम चाहते हैं सभी का जो ये हुआ घोटाला हुआ है, जब येडियुरप्पा का जमाने में, सिद्धरामैया के जमाने में, बोम्मई का जमाने में, जो भी है सबका भंडाफोड़ होना चाहिए।
ये मैसूर मोड़ा का ये प्रकरण है ना, पूरा झूठ का है, 100% फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। जुडिशियल केस दिया है, जुडिशियल में ये केस है ना, वो इंक्वायरी होने के बाद क्या आता है उसके बाद वो चर्चा हो सकता है, बिफोर डिस्कशन नहीं हो सकता है ना। ये
They have sent a resolution, adjournment motion in respect of Muda, something had happened in the Mysore, but it is not a regular. It is not 3-4 years back it was happened. Now it was appeared in the media. Then they are starting. According to my opinion, it is not fit case for the discussion. In resolution, they moved the resolution. No? If they ask in some other way, I can consider it.
My colleague Imran joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Imran, pretty dramatic scenes there in Karnataka. Quite literally, the MLAs and also the MLCs now protesting. In fact, the protests even going on overnight. And their allegation is simple. The fact that the government is now clearly trying to hide this scam and they're not allowing the opposition to speak about it.
Well, yes, in fact, even the opposition is not allowing the chief minister to speak about it. That's the allegation from the state government. And in fact, over this Muda issue, the entire assembly session, the opposition has been demanding a complete discussion on it. And in last time, the opposition even demanded the resignation of chief minister over this issue. They blame the chief minister directly responsible, in which both the ED, SIT and the state police was investigating the Muda scam, in which a former minister, Nagendra, has already resigned and he's been arrested. His wife was questioned this particular issue, and many of the officials in the department, Valmiki board, has been arrested in this particular scam. In fact, the chief minister admitted over in the floor that this is a scam. However, he said that it's an involvement of the bank and the other officials. There's nothing to do with the state government, and they have given a free hand to the investigation agencies and asked the opposition to wait till the SIT constituted in it to come out with a report before making such allegations. In fact, they said that the ED, which is investigating the case, has been directed by the center to dislodge his government. He even went on to the extent saying that he is from the OBC, and many people cannot fathom the fact that the OBC has become a chief minister of the state. Hence, the conspiracy is there towards him. In fact, over this issue, the BJP protested inside the assembly yesterday too, and did an overnight protest. All of them slept in the Vidhan Sabha and in the council, and they continue to protest today too.
Absolutely, Imran. In fact, Neha also joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Neha, pretty dramatic scenes there. BJP legislators there clearly protesting inside the assembly. They have, of course, they carried pillows and blankets and stayed there overnight as well. And they're clearly stating that the government is not allowing a discussion on this issue. And there is a very clear attempt by the Chief Minister himself to ensure that this issue is not discussed in the assembly.
Well, yes, Ashish, while on one hand the BJP, of course, is protesting inside the assembly, on the other hand, the Chief Minister and the government has made their stand quite clear on this issue earlier as well. They've said that a judicial commission has already been ordered into the matter, that it is being probed and that the BJP is unnecessarily politicizing this entire issue. Of course, as far as, of course, the conversation around this in the, assembly session is concerned, you have the Congress legislators and the ministers here who've gone on to state that, of course, this is nothing but the BJP just trying to disturb the floor of the assembly. Remember, of course, as far as the Muda issue is concerned, what we do know so far is that the government on its part is stating that these were sites that were allotted during the BJP's tenure, and which is why they should have to answer for it. Of course, when we've asked the BJP about this, they've said that let the government probe into the irregularities irrespective of who was really involved. Well, one thing that we know for certain is that, Ashish, even as you have politics at its peak over here in the state of Karnataka, business in the assembly, of course, is naturally being disturbed there. While we've seen a few bills being passed in this session, we're hopeful that the remaining bills also, of course, or the proceedings of the assembly as planned would go forth. We'll really have to wait and see how the day pans out.
Absolutely, Neha. Even as we speak right now, of course, the visuals that are playing out on our screens are pretty dramatic there, with the BJP legislators, of course, carrying their pillows and blankets as well inside and outside the assembly. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast, getting us all those details.